In the name of Almighty Allah, the most compassionate. Beloved students, our topic is phonology. You may be aware that phonology, there are total 44 sounds. And 44 sounds, this is, if we look very properly toward the phonology word, etymologically, this is compound word, simply just we can say phone and logy. Phone, it means sounds, and logy, it means study. The simply just we can say phonology means the study of sounds. And when we talk regarding the sounds, there are total 44 sounds in the phonology world. And 44 sounds divides into the main two components. First component, that's consonant, and another component, that's vowel. Consonants, they are 24 in number, while vowel, they are 20 in number. If we talk regarding the 24 consonants, further 24 consonants divides into the 6 subparts. First part, that's plosive. Second part, that is fricative. Third part, that's affricative. Fourth part, that's nasal. Fifth part, that's lateral. And sixth part, that's semivowel, or its next name is approximate. If we talk regarding the plosives, there are 6 in number, like f, p, t, t, h, k. If we talk regarding the fricatives, which are 9 in number, they are f, w, th, th, s, sh, z, j, h. If we talk regarding the affricatives, they are 2 in number, ch, ch. And talk about the nasal, they are 3 in number, m, n, ang. And if we talk regarding the lateral, that is single in number, like l. And talk about the, we can say, approximates or semivowels, they are 3 in number, like w, r, and y. That's j. Simply just we can say j. Okay. Now talk about the vowels, which are 20 in number. 20. There are 20 sounds in vowel. Vowels further divides into the 2 components here. First group, that is monophthong, and another group, that is dipthong. If we talk regarding the monophthong, mono means single. Monophthongs means single sounded words. Single sounded words, they are 12 in number. And if we talk regarding the dipthongs, dipthongs means 2 sounded words, or simply just we can say more than 2 sounded words, they are 8 in number. If we talk regarding the, we can say monophthongs, they are 12 in number. Further the 12, they divides into the 2 parts, long vowel and short vowel. Long vowel, they are like u, e, a, o. If we talk regarding the short vowel, they are I, E, O, O, A. And if we talk regarding the, we can say diphthongs, they are 8 in number. They depends upon this tongue, like front, middle, and back. They're 8 in number. Like simply just we can say like we can say ay, ay, oy, ear, air, ow, ow, etc. Now we will consider the board. We will try to understand these 44 sounds, beloved students here. Till bye.